right, man, here we go again. How to use your green screen on TikTok. Y'all already know your boy Kenya Long. We just jump right into it, man. Give me the facts right here. Here we go, man. All right, here we go. I'm doing it live for you, baby. We are here about to do a green screen. I hit the effects tab. I go to the green screen and I'm selecting a random photo right now, and bam, here we are, guys. Resizing myself right here. This is just a random photo I took. I don't know why I took this, but oh yeah, I parked there. This is in Santa Monica. This is where I parked at, baby. Resize yourself right there on TikTok using the green screen. Of course, you know, you want to do another green screen. You guys said, oh, you know, you want to do another green screen. Of course, they got plenty of green screens here. Ooh, even a brand new one. Paintbrush. You want to use paintbrush? No, we're not going to use paintbrush. We're going to use this green screen right here. No, we're not going to use that either. All right, we're going to use this green screen right here. Add a photo for overlay, and bam. All right, we got another video right here, baby. This is how you use the photo overlay. So you got the camera right here where I am, and you got your photo right here. You guys have a lot of issues with my photos not big. Once again, you can use Canva. Use Canva. It's still free. You don't have to get the pro version, but if you want to get the pro version, make sure you use my promo code and save on that using Canva Pro. I am a Canva Pro, man, but you don't need it. You can get the free version. You don't need Photoshop. Just use Canva, nice and free. Resize your photos. A lot of you guys said, oh, my photos are too small. If you don't upload something that's less than 1080p, it will say that your photo is too small if you try to upload that directly on the TikTok. This is why you need to download that photo that you have, upload it to Canva, and then stretch it out. And stretch it out right now. All right, so this is another green screen effect you can do where it's the majority of your photo and you right here in the camera in the upper right corner, and you can move it anywhere you want, okay? You can move that around. So you got a photo. A lot of people do that where they're talking about something in news. A lot of news TikTokers like to do this, man. You know, they like to either have their self, you know, in the part of the picture, or this right here where you got a little window, which is pretty cool. I like this little window right here. So you got two green screen effects you can use right now, baby. And, you know, of course, it's whatever is popular right now, whatever you want to do, man. But there are multiple ways for you to use your green screen, get your photos on there. But you guys have a lot of issues with that photo being 480. You need to go to Canva. If you want to use that particular photo, you need to go to Canva and upload it, stretch it out, and you'll still be able to use that photo. If not, of course, look for a bigger size photo, or you can do 1080 by 1920. If you search in YouTube 1080 by 1920, that same type of photo, I don't know what it could be, then you can download that vertical photo and, of course, upload it straight to TikTok if you didn't want to fumble with Canva. But also, of course, you can use Canva on the mobile app as well, which I told you guys in this video.